Are you confused between percentage and percentile? You find both the measures are the same. Don't worry, I will clear out the confusion. So make sure you watch it till the end, as along with percentiles and quantiles, I will also be explaining you about the interquartile range. So let's first understand what are percentiles. Percentiles are statistical measures that divide a dataset into 100 equal parts, representing the relative position of individual data points within the dataset. Imagine you have a dataset representing the test scores of a class. By calculating the 25th, 50th and 75th percentiles, we can find out the scores that separate the lowest 25%, the middle 50%, which is also known as median, and the highest 75% of scores. So in the test scores, the 75th percentile would represent the score between which 75% of the students' scores fall. Let's head to the screen and see how to fetch out the percentiles from a given data. So as you can see on the screen, I have created an array which is scores of the students in a test. So let's see how to fetch out the percentiles. I will write np.percentile. In the bracket I will pass the test scores. And let's say I want the 25th percentile, so I will write 25. And the value at 25th percentile is 41.5. Let's say I want 50th, I will write 50 and run it. So we can get the 50th percentile value, that is 65. Similarly, we can fetch it for 75. And on the 75th percentile, we have the score 74. Next is quantiles. Quantiles are a generalization of percentiles. Quantiles divide the data into 4 equal parts, with the first quartile Q1 representing the 25th percentile, the second quartile Q2 representing the 50th percentile, also known as the median, and the third quartile Q3 representing the 75th percentile. Let's see how to fetch out quantiles in Python. So I will come back to the screen, and here I will write np.quantile, pass my array, and let's say I want the first quantile, that is 25th percentile. I will pass here 0.25 and run it. I will get the same value, that is 41.5. If I pass here 50, I will get 65, and if I pass here 75, I will get 74. Now let's talk about the interquartile range. This is another crucial measure that quantifies the spread of the data in the middle 50%. It is calculated as the difference between the third quartile and the first quartile. But why do we care about the interquartile range? Well, it gives us a robust understanding of the range where the majority of our data points lie, excluding the outliers. So outliers are nothing but the extreme data points that fall far away from the majority of the values. Let's head to the screen and see how to get the interquartile range of our given dataset. So Q3 is nothing but the third quartile, so I will write np.quantile, pass test scores, and our third quartile is at 0.75. Now let's create Q1. Q1 is nothing but np.quantile. It is the first quartile, so we'll write test scores, comma 0.25. And if I write Q3 minus Q1, I get my interquartile range as 32.5. So in summary, percentiles, quantiles and the IQR are invaluable tools in your statistical toolkit. They provide essential insights into the data spread, distribution, and help you make informed decisions and understand the characteristic of your dataset. If you want to know about the measures of dispersion or central tendencies, click on the videos on the screen and I will see you there. Till then, keep learning and thanks for watching.